like a shittier version of Britney Spears. Oops, I did it again. Hi everybody, my name is Sunshine Oil and I'm with 4ix9ine on the Rating Show. Today I'm going to be testing out outfits from Fashion Nova. I don't remember what it is that I ordered, if I'm being completely honest, so we're going to both be surprised together, honey. So this very first one is this little snake member. It is definitely way more revealing than what I thought it was going to be. I don't really know what type of underwear it is that you're supposed to wear with this. Probably like a very maybe like a very risque thong, or like just something that is more attractive than what I'm currently wearing. Also, it is incredibly short, so my cooter is about to pop out, okay? It is seconds away from being exposed. I'm not a fan of this cutout. Even if I was like exposing skin, like it's still not really doing much. Like, I mean, like this is not... Oh, you know who I feel like in this? I feel like Medusa in this. Like, this is like some Medusa vibes. Like, it just feels very like la 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 la, you know? And then like I turn you into stone, you know? Like, it just feels very that. So I'd probably give it like, I would give it a 6.5 out of 10. Let's try on the next one. This next one feels very Flintstones. I feel like I need like a bone in my hair. This doesn't scream night out. This screams like Halloween party to me. Like, this screams like last minute Halloween. All these cutouts I'm just not a fan of because it's like they're just like giant sections of fabric that are missing. They're not adding anything. You understand what I'm saying? Like, they're not adding like any intricacy into the cutout. It's just like they're just not putting a piece of fabric into my dress. Like, that's all it is. I feel like if this had the extra piece of fabric, like this would look good. Like, imagine if the dress was like fully, you know what I mean, like a full cheetah print moment. Like, that would be really cute. Even though it gives the booty justice, I feel like it's still not enough for me to want to wear it. Also, not to mention, like, this was kind of like difficult to put on because like, oh my god, it's like, it's always these are always a problem whenever it comes to plus size clothes, because for some reason they don't realize that plus size arms are also a little bit bigger. I don't like that you can see that. Like, I don't like that you can see my chub line like that. And the only reason it does that is because they make these sleeves not big enough for plus size women's arms, you know? And so it just makes it look like that. And I don't like that. I would give this one like a 4. Okay, I really like this one. The only problem, it's just my non-existent boob. My non-existent boob comes to ruin things for me once again. It's this one boob. This one boob causes me so many problems because it's non-existent. It literally just does not exist. And the thing is that for some reason, on every single dress I've ever tried on, this is the boob that they decide to be the one to hold things up. And this boob can't hold anything up. It looks fantastic on me, okay? Like, this looks so cute on me. I'm a little afraid that my boob is gonna come out because nothing is holding her in place. But from afar, I look like a shittier version of Britney Spears in Toxic. Or not Toxic. Oops, I did it again. Oops, I did it again. Like, I'm gonna have to go ahead and say that this one's a 3. Because it's just like, it's so boring to look at. Like, I'm just bored looking at it. Like, boring. Okay, let's try on the next one. Oh my god! Okay, so this last set is probably the cutest set I have ever tried out for the entirety of this whole Fashion Nova thing. This is so freaking cute. Oh my god. And it is such good quality as well. Like, I cannot get over the quality. Like, oh my god. Definitely gives the ass justice. Okay, definitely makes the booty look right. Okay, you know what I'm saying? Definitely makes it look plump. I love the way I look in this one. I love how it's also very customizable and just the way that it looks on your person, you know what I mean? Like, you can like button up all the buttons. You can button up one button, you can button up 2 buttons, you can button up no buttons. Like, you can just not wear the you know, the sweater at all. Like, it's just like, this is so freaking cute. I just feel so like put together and like sophisticated, but still me, you know, still very exuberant. I look very juicy. Like, I kind of look like a watermelon a little bit, but like, it's totally fine, okay? Because I'm choosing to look like a watermelon, okay? And that's all that matters. I would definitely say that this is my favorite. I would rate this one a 10 out of 10. Like, this is the winner. Like, I love this one. This is like the winner, like 100,000%. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!